Awesome, awesome. He was up there eating a nut right there. He's behind that tree right there. Hey guys, welcome to Off My Rocker. If you've already subscribed, thank you. If you haven't, hit that like and subscribe button for me for lots of action, just like what you just saw. We are squirrel hunting today, and I'm gonna go back in the woods back here and see how many more we can get. Nice, good shot, good shot. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a lot of leaves in the way, but I was able to get on him and he dropped right there. Nice, number 2. Hey, pro tip 3482. Biologists believe that squirrels can see colors better than most animals. So camo out. T-shirt and blue jeans, they're no longer acceptable. The experts say squirrels can see you. Awesome, awesome. I love it when they stop right there and eat nuts. Gives you an opportunity for a perfect shot. All right, I'm gonna go collect him, and we're gonna keep walking down these trails, see if we can find some more squirrels. There's one coming this way. Man, he's gonna be close. Be close. Oh, dang. He was so close that I didn't hold. Here, let me show you. I didn't hold over. But you see from the center line of the barrel to the center line of the scope right there, it's about that far. I should have held that far over his head. Dang it, that won't happen again. All right, down the trail for some more squirrels. Nice, got him. Those offhand shots are a little bit tough, I'll tell you what. You get all jazzed up because the shot's coming and you gotta try and get your breathing right. But I got him. We'll go over and pick him up. Hey guys, so you can see the woods are super thick. The leaves are still all on. They haven't started falling yet. Squirrels are a little tough to find right now. So I'm just walking my trails back here in the woods, and every so often I get lucky. He's coming down the tree. He's coming down the tree. There he stopped. He's kind of hugging the tree right there. Oh, man. I think I shot out of focus. I got him. He dropped straight down, but I hate making those out of focus shots. All right, I'm gonna pick up that squirrel. Sweet, another bushy tail. Awesome. Today is shaping up to be a pretty good day to be in the squirrel woods. I'll tell you what. We're gonna keep moving down the trails and see if we can't clean some of them out. There's a squirrel right there. He caught me. He's looking at me right there. I'm gonna try and make a shot. I had to set this camera up first. Man, dropped right there. Was sitting there looking at me and I still got the shot. That is so awesome. All right, I'm gonna pick him up and keep walking. Nice one. Big fat gray right there. That's what we try to go for as a headshot. I'm just showing you for educational purposes, not to be morbid, but if you can't get a headshot, try to go for a shoulder shot right there. It's a definite way of taking down your squirrel right away. Right there, another one. Another one. He's coming down that little tree. Coming down that little tree right there. Oh, awesome shot. He fell right there. He's coming down that little tiny tree and he stopped just long enough for me to get it. Nice. Hey, you guys, I hope you had as much fun watching this as I did making it. If you haven't hit that like and subscribe button yet, please do that for me. And I'll tell you what, we're getting it done with a pellet gun.